Good morning, my friends. Well, it's a blustery morning out there, the winds are blowing, and let's reveal where we set off last night. So, where are we? Wow, so far so good. That is looking okay. Okay. Right, now you can see the way the pins are there, sticking out either side, and that is my next job, cleaning them up, just to see. Now you can see where the drill bit went a bit doo-ally there, so we've got to sort that out. We've got to clean it up and see what the story is. It looks like it's going to be a result. So folks, let's clean it up. Now for the clean up. Now the vibration of this wheel is either going to do two things. It's going to do what I want it to do, or it's going to vibrate and smash off altogether. Looking good so far, apart from that little hole there. Yeah, feels nice and flush there, not a problem, no sharp edges on it. Now for this side here. Looking good. I must say I am pleased with that. Yep. Yeah, I am pleased with that. Looks okay. Right. Let's do the next step now, which is see, can I put it on the bike? So first of all, I'm going to put my spacer on, what makes the mirror stand out just that extra little bit more. No, that's the wrong size for that one. Right. So this is the first part going on. Second part. I must admit, these spacers here, it only makes it an inch and a half to 2 inches of a difference, but that difference actually shadows your body to allow you to see what's coming up beside you there. So I find that the Suzuki GSX 1250 is very narrow for the size of the bike. You know, it's kind of streamlined the build, and for safety it's something I do recommend. So now folks, this is where it all happens. So you've got your two washers either side of that now. Push it in there. Yes, it's going all the way home there. Well, hello there folks, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Is it going to be a or a let's find out. So we're going to pinch that up then. Okay folks, yes, right, okay folks, now I've just pushed it slightly back and I'm going to confirm it now. The glue has actually come away and I've not put a big strain on that at all. Okay, so it's a failure. But thanks for watching. The studs is holding it, it's going nowhere, it's a bit rocky, it's not good enough, and there's no way I would leave it like that. So I'm going to have to come up with plan B. Okay folks, let's wrap it up. Thank you very much.